So it is wine time on the patio, and I took a little time off from making some videos during the holidays, but now it is January, and if we're still having some lovely days here and there, and so this is one of them, and I'll take advantage of any outdoor day I can get. So over the holidays, I did enjoy some Gluhwein, and that's what this is. This one is from Winzerwald Winery here in Indiana. And this is Cranberry Gluhwein, which is actually my favorite. So what Gluhwein is it's a wine with mulling spices in it, and it's usually served warm, although you can drink it cold or at room temperature, but it's much nicer served warm. Now this particular one is already made up, so the mulling spices and everything are in the wine, and this is a cranberry one. And I kind of prefer cranberry Gluhwein to just the regular Gluhwein, which is still usually a red wine with the mulling spices, but not with the cranberry flavor, which I tend to like the cranberry flavor better myself. So the one we had actually on Christmas Day when we had a couple of family members over is we had one from Stonehaus Winery, which is in Crossville, Tennessee. And we had visited Stonehaus just not too long back and bought their kit. So theirs was actually in a kit that had the red wine, then it had the mulling spices, and then it had also some cranberry juice to add. So you mixed it together and then warmed it up, and we just warmed it up in a crock pot. So it just depends on what you have available. But if you're having guests or anything like that, it's really easy just to put it in the crock pot, let it warm, and then you can just, you know, ladle it out into your glasses. This, I like to use, this is my Irish coffee cup. I also use, sometimes if you're having guests, it's nice, you can serve it in your punch bowl cups. So if you have a punch bowl, the little glass cup, something with a handle, because obviously if you warm it up too warm, it might burn a little bit, just like your coffee or anything like that. But it's certainly really nice on cool days or even cold, snowy days to have mulled wine or warm wine. So you can make your own with some red wine, and you can look on the internet and there's some different options of how to make your own Gluhwein or mulled wine, and it's very similar to wassail. So usually at the holidays, a lot of people are familiar with wassail, which is kind of the very similar thing. Gluhwein is just the German, Austrian version of it, and of course Winzerwald does a lot of German style wines at their winery. And I'll add some pictures after the video of the kit that we also got from Stonehaus Winery, which was another really nice option. So it is wine time on the patio today with some Gluhwein. Cheers.